Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sights. Every Sunday, I will talk to you Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script I'm reading from in this video description. Today, I will talk to you about Wakura Onsen. Wakura Onsen is a historic hot spring town located in Nanao City, Ishikawa Prefecture. It's said to have been discovered about 1,200 years ago. The town is by the sea on the Noto Peninsula, offering beautiful views and relaxing atmosphere. The hot springs in Wakura Onsen contain salt, which is believed to make the skin smooth and warm the body deeply. One of the main attractions of Wakura Onsen is its location by the sea. Many hotels and inns offer ocean view from an outdoor bus where you can relax while looking at the calm sea. Wakura Onsen is also famous for its fresh seafood. You can enjoy local dishes made with fresh fish and shellfish, especially the delicious crab dishes in water, which attract many visitors. Recently, Wakura Onsen has become known as a wellness destination. The town offers spa treatments, healthy meals using local ingredients, and relaxation programs to help visitors heal both body and mind. There are also activities where you can experience the local culture and traditions, making your visit special. Wakura Onsen is becoming more popular with foreign tourists. There are many English services and signs so visitors can feel comfortable and enjoy their stay. The town is also gaining attention as a piece for the remote work where you can refresh yourself while working in the hot spring environment. Visiting Wakura Onsen also you to enjoy traditional Japanese hot springs culture and experience the natural beauty and local charm of the Noto Peninsula. Its rich natural environment and warm hospitality continue to attract many people. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.